Welcome to Reviews Inside TV, where we bring you honest and detailed product reviews. Today, we have a commercial-grade blender that could very well be the key to taking your bar or kitchen to the next level. The Waring Commercial Countertop Bar Blender, paired with the BevBasix Light Duty and the Waring Commercial C-37 stainless steel container, is built for those who demand power, durability, and versatility. Let's break down exactly what this powerhouse has to offer. The Waring Commercial Bar Blender is designed with a half-horsepower motor, which brings industrial strength power to your kitchen or bar setup. With this level of power, it's made to effortlessly handle tough tasks like blending frozen drinks, smoothies, cocktails, and even dips. What's particularly exciting about this blender is its versatility in container options. It's compatible with either a 32-ounce stainless steel container or a 48-ounce copolyester container, allowing you to adjust based on your needs, whether you're making single servings or prepping large batches. And speaking of the container, the included 32-ounce stainless steel version isn't just about capacity, it's about durability. The stainless steel ensures that you won't have to worry about cracks or breaks even after prolonged use, which is a real plus in busy environments like bars or restaurants. This blender also comes with a removable blade assembly and lid, which makes cleaning easy. If you're in a high-volume setting, the fact that it's built to withstand heavy daily use is a big deal. The Waring Bar Blender is proudly made in the USA, designed to meet the high standards of commercial food service and bar use. If you're working in a professional kitchen or running a bar, this blender could be the unsung hero of your setup. I had the chance to test this blender in real-world conditions, and I'll tell you, this thing packs a punch. Setting it up was a breeze. There's no complicated installation, and the operation is pretty straightforward. I tested it with a few frozen margaritas, and let me tell you, it made quick work of the ice. The 1/2 HP motor churns through frozen ingredients effortlessly, so if you're regularly blending icy drinks or thick smoothies, you're in for a treat. The noise level isn't too intrusive, considering the power of the motor, and it doesn't shake or wobble on the counter, which is something I've experienced with lesser blenders. The added bonus of the stainless steel container is that it doesn't retain smells or stain from the ingredients, which is something I've come to appreciate in a high-use blender like this. When it comes to performance, the Waring Commercial Blender doesn't disappoint. I tried a few different recipes, including smoothies with tougher ingredients like frozen berries and leafy greens. The blender handled them without hesitation, producing smooth and consistent results. The 32-ounce container was perfect for smaller batches, and the steel construction felt solid and sturdy throughout the process. However, there's a bit of a trade-off when it comes to the size of the container. The 32-ounce capacity is great for bars and smaller servings, but if you're making larger batches, the 48-ounce container would be a better fit. It's not a deal breaker, just something to keep in mind depending on your needs. The pros are clear: powerful motor, durable build, and easy-to-use features. But it's not without its downsides. While the blender is highly capable, the 32-ounce container may not be enough for high-volume operations that need to churn through large quantities of drinks or food quickly. It's perfect for a small to medium-sized bar or cafe, but if you're serving large crowds or running a big restaurant, you may want to look at a larger model. Also, while the noise level is manageable, it's still a commercial blender, so don't expect it to be whisper quiet. Now, let's talk value for money. This isn't a budget option by any means, but considering its commercial-grade build and performance, it offers good value for the price. Many other blenders in this price range don't come close to the durability or power this one offers. Plus, the fact that it's made in the USA adds to its value. But if you're a small home user or just looking for something to handle smoothies a few times a week, you might find that you're paying for features you don't need. For professional kitchens or bars, however, the price feels justified when considering its build quality, versatility, and longevity. In terms of comparisons, there are several options on the market that fall within the same price range, but many of them are built for home use and won't stand up to the constant demands of a commercial environment. The Waring bar blender sets itself apart with its stainless steel construction, removable blade assembly, and its high-powered motor, qualities not always found in other commercial blenders. While there are cheaper blenders out there, they often don't come with the same level of durability, and you may end up replacing them sooner, which could ultimately cost you more in the long run. When it comes to build quality, the Waring bar blender is solid. Its stainless steel construction is a standout, providing both durability and resistance to cracks or breaks. This blender is built to last in high-use environments, and while long-term data isn't available just yet, Waring's reputation for quality manufacturing suggests that this product will hold up well. It's made to be a workhorse, and the solid feel of the materials backs up that claim. Customer support is something that's always worth mentioning. I didn't have to reach out to Waring's customer service for any issues, but based on their reputation, they're known for being responsive and helpful in the rare instances that problems do arise. The brand's long history in the commercial appliance space gives me confidence in their after-sales support, so if something does go wrong, you can rest assured they've got your back. At the end of the day, the Waring commercial bar blender is an excellent choice for bars, cafes, and small restaurants looking to up their drink game. It provides the performance, durability, and versatility needed for high-volume use, and it's backed by a brand that's known for delivering quality commercial equipment. If you're running a business where you need a reliable blender for smoothies, cocktails, or dips, this one should be on your radar. It's built to last, offers great value for its price, and is versatile enough to handle a wide range of tasks. Just keep in mind, if you're a home user or need a larger capacity for larger batches, this might not be the best fit for you. Thanks for watching. If you've tried the Waring bar blender or have any thoughts on this product, feel free to leave a comment below. You can find the link to grab one for yourself in the comments box. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an honest review from us. Goodbye till next time, and remember, when it's Reviews Inside TV, it's never just about the product. It's about finding the best for you.